Hello beautiful people, it's Juliet here. Today we'll be making chicken tikka masala. Here I have already washed chicken breast, slicing in cubes. You can be sliced however you want. And after slicing, transfer to a bowl and let's marinate. Here I have paprika, salt, chicken seasoning, and yogurt. Yogurt is a vital ingredient when making chicken tikka masala. And I went in with ginger, garlic, and a half sliced lemon. Stir together thoroughly for a proper mix. Cover with clay fan, and I left mine in the fridge for 2 hours. In my pan I have vegetable oil and I'm transferring all the chicken cubes to my pan to fry. Keep flipping the chicken around to avoid it being burnt, and it's been drying out. We need the liquid to dry out. And it's time to take out the chicken. I'm going to blend ginger, garlic, and 2 tin tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if you want. And I went in with my sliced onions into my pan, stir together. We will be using the same pan that we used in frying our chicken. And I went in with my tomato paste. Please check the description for all the measurement. Keep stirring to avoid burn. And I went in with my blended sauce. Went in with my tikka masala, salt, curry powder, paprika, and chicken seasoning, and mix together. And I went in with my chicken. And I'm adding the remnant of the marinade sauce. This is totally optional. And I covered to cook on a low heat for 10 minutes. And it's been cooking. Here I have double heavy cream that I bought from Sainsbury's. This can be bought from any store. Just look at that. See how creamy it is. I love how creamy it gets when you mix it together. It just changes the color. It takes the taste, the color to a whole new level. Mix together thoroughly and cover for the cream to set in on a low heat, and it's ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.